Snoring is dangerous. It's not just bad for your marriage or your relationship because it's keeping your spouse up. Snoring can negatively impact not only your long-term health, but the way that you feel every single day. Snoring has been associated with sleep apnea, and sleep apnea can increase your risk for all-cause mortality. It's hard on your heart, it's hard on your brain. It's actually something that's a really serious health problem, and if you're snoring, you're probably not actually sleeping very well or recovering. Most people that snore, all they have to do is lose some weight. You lose a little excess body fat, and then that clears up the area in the back of your throat, takes some weight off of that area. It'll actually help you just breathe more easily. If that's not the case, then you absolutely should go see a specialist, maybe get a sleep study done. One of my favorite ways of actually treating this, you get a little piece of medical tape, you put it right over your lips right before you sleep. It'll keep your mouth closed so that you have to do nasal breathing at night, and that can help eliminate snoring on its own.